everyone. So, what is this?
Balloon.
How do you blow a balloon?
Balloon.
What do we fill in the balloon?
Air.
Okay, now Preeti ma'am will show you how to blow a balloon. Okay, and we are filling air in the balloon right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, today we would learn one more way to blow a balloon. Okay? So, what is this I have?
Water.
Water in a bottle. Okay? I have a water bottle and I have put some water in it. I have here, this is Eno salt. Okay? And I am going to put Eno in this bottle and let us see what happens. Oh, so what is there in the balloon right now?
Air.
It's not air, it is a gas which is which has inflated the balloon. Okay? And this gas has evolved by a chemical reaction between water and Eno salt. Isn't it interesting?
Yes.